Hello and welcome. Today we're continuing with our SQ4R strategy on magnetic force, current and electric motors. So what we've done up to now is we've looked at the SQ4R strategy. We've looked at the first three. We looked at the surveying, we looked at questioning, and we read. Today we're going to go to retrieve, and remember that retrieving, the purpose thereof is to retrieve the information from working memory. So you've read, you've made surveyed, you've made questions, you've read, and now you are retrieving the data that you have read and that you've questioned. If you cannot retrieve, then you have to go back to reading. Okay, so if there's anything that you struggle with, then you have to go back to reading, and then we will start recording the information what we have, and in our next session we will be rehearsing it. So we will be looking at retrieving, and the method that we will be using is probing for gaps. So we are critically going to probe for gaps. So what you're going to do is you're going to do the following. You're going to use Fleming's right-hand rule, and in the first 30 seconds you're going to write down everything that you can remember from Fleming's right-hand rule. Okay, and then you can take another 60 seconds to write down what you can retrieve with some effort. So the first 30 seconds without effort, the second 60 seconds is with effort, and then you take 5 minutes and you write down whatever you do not have from your book. I want you to do that then for the turning effect on a coil and a simple DC motor. Once we can finish with that, we're going to look at recording. Remember that when we are retrieving, that you shouldn't be afraid that if you can't retrieve, reread. Okay, make sure you understand the content. So as we go to recording, what I want you guys to do is I've given you a worksheet where you have to fill in some of the words, the answers missing as you go through it. Okay, and this is kind of a summary of the chapters. So go through it, fill in the words, and then you'll have recorded all the most important information of this chapter. I hope you have a nice day, and goodbye.